So the program that we are looking at right now, the program will going to display the library list on the screen and will also send the library list to my output queue. And it will also display the message, the display library list program is complete. So let's have a look at it as to how it does it when we run the program. So let me first connect to the emulator. So I right click on the server and go to host connection emulator. Then I log into the host. Once I'm in the host, I call the program, which is the program that I have created, chap5ex2. Upon successful execution of the program, what the program will do is, first it will going to run this line, display libl, which is display library list, and that message will be shown on the screen. So here you can see the library list. Then I can press enter or F3 or F12 to come out of it. To check the output of the second line, which is the output queue, I have to go to work spool file. So work spool file. I have to go to the bottom of the work spool file where I can locate this file. And here I can see the print library list. I will going to press 5 on it to display the details, and here is the exact same output that was sent out. Now the program that I'm showing you will display the job log. So again, I use the command display job log, which will display the job log. Then I'm displaying the job log I'm spooling the job log to my output queue, and then I'm displaying the message at the end of the program. Let's try running the program. So call chapter 5, example 3. Upon successful execution of this program, it will display me my job log. Upon pressing enter, I will going to exit out of it, and this is where the message gets to be displayed. The display job log program is complete. To see the actual output that it is generated, I have to go to work spool file because I've sent the output to the output queue, and that's where towards the bottom I will be able to locate the item that I'm looking for, which is this QP job log. And upon entering the QP job log, I should be able to see the details of the job log. Let me exit from here. Next, we will going to look at an example where instead of displaying the library list, I want to see the contents of a particular library. So I click on display, I type display library command, followed by the library keyword, followed by the name of the library that I'm interested in seeing. At the same time, I would like to spool this library all the way into my output queue. And then I would like to display that the following library has been displayed. The program is complete. Now let's run it. So call chapter 5, example 4. Upon pressing enter, it takes me right in that library, which is QGPL. As you can see over here, the name of the library is QGPL, and these are the objects to be found in this library. I'll exit out of here, and now I'm going to check my work spool file. In the work spool file, I have a QDisplay library. So upon entering this, I get to see the exact same output that I was seeing on the other page. So this is how you can execute the chapter 5, example number 4. Now, in this example, we are displaying the date and time. So we have a variable called date and time of type character length 20. We are retrieving a system value called QDateTime. So it will return date and time. The first example that I shared with you was the example in which only the time was getting returned. So I had a variable that will only, I had a system value QTime, which was only returning time into my variable time. Now I have an example where I'm returning date and time. That's why I have the variable 20, size 20, as opposed to size 6. Now in this example over here, we are displaying the current date and time is this. So now let's run this program. Call chapter 5, example 5. Upon successful execution of the program, you can see down below here that the current date and time is 2018 February 1st, and then your time in milliseconds. See you in the next tutorial. Bye-bye.